Morning, folks. My name is Rick, and I am the founder of Nature's Own Solutions. And our mission is to eliminate all the toxic chemicals that are used for pesticides, weed killers, wood and concrete preservatives. We've been sold a bill of good over the last 4 or 5 decades about the lack of toxicity of these products. And every year we find out that they are more and more toxic than we thought to begin with. And the evidence of that is the products being taken off the market every year. So this is the first in a series of videos to chronicle the Nature's Defender product that I just showed you. This is one of our flagship products at nature'sown-solutions.com. And this product is an amazing insect killer and repellent, and we're going to do a little experiment or a little video right now to show you how well it works in the overcast Florida October weather on a pile of fire ants. So bear with me a second while I set this up. Okay, we're going to zero in on this fire ant mound that I have down here. Gonna have to lower the camera, I think. So we can get a good view. We want to get a good view of this thing so we can show you how well it kills the fire ants. Okay. Hopefully we got it there. Zoom in. Okay. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to dump this piece of wood in this fire ant mound, and they will attack it quickly, and then we will show you how effective the Nature's Defender is. Again, you can find it at nature'sown-solutions.com. Cedar oil and silane. Alright, here we go. Told you they wouldn't be long. Let them get on there, show you how quickly it kills these things. Let's shoot that big one there that's in the center. 5, 8, 9, 10, 12 seconds. And you can see how quickly it kills these fire ants. Try to get in here and see some other ones. See? 10-12 seconds it takes to kill these things, folks. And one of the amazing things about this product, bear with me, is that this product, Nature's Defender, can also be used on yourself as a mosquito repellent or general insect repellent, deer ticks, chiggers, that kind of thing. You can also spray it directly on your pet to kill fleas and ticks. You can spray it directly on your child's head to kill head lice. It actually dries out the eggs, so they just crumble instead of normal stickiness that is associated with them. And as you just saw, you can use it as a repellent. It has a much nicer smell than most insect repellents that you can buy off the shelf. And it's environmentally friendly. Safe for you, your pets, your children, and the environment. And as you can see from this test here, kills the insects very easily. Now, I'm going to try and do something I've never done before. We're going to call this man versus fire ant. I've got to lower this down again. And I'm going to spray this onto my finger and see how many of the fire ants want to climb up my finger. Okay, I'm spraying on my fingers. We have a lot. And there we go. Let me spray it again since it's all full of dirt. Okay, here we go. He's climbing on me, but he's not biting. You can see the one that already climbed on me has died. Died as he was trying to bite me. So this just goes to show you that this product is very effective on one of the most aggressive insects that we have around, and that is the fire ants. One more time, we'll show you how quickly it kills the ants. You can see basically they suffocate, folks. This triggers a reaction in all the arthropod insects, whether it's a roach, a fire ant, a bed bug, head lice, and basically they hold their breath. So that's the end of our video series for this time. Hopefully I'm not cutting my head off. Thank you very much for joining us, and look for our next video in the Chronicles of Nature's Defender versus the insects of the world. Thank you very much.